Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to download and install the Bluevine mobile app. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's get straight into it. The first step is to open your phone's App Store. On iPhone, you're going to tap the App Store, and on Android, open the Google Play Store. Next, in the search bar, you're going to type Bluevine Business Banking. Look for the official app published by Bluevine Incorporated, and then check that the logo matches the Bluevine brand. This prevents downloading a lookalike app. Next step is to tap download or install and just wait for the app to finish installing on your device. Next, once it's installed, tap open, and on the welcome screen, you're going to choose login if you haven't already gotten an account. If you already have an account, just log in, or you can just sign up to create a new account if you don't already have one. Next is to enter your Bluevine email and password. If you've already enabled two-factor authentication, then you're just going to type in the SMS or authenticator code to finish the login. You're now ready to manage deposits, transfers, payments, and your Bluevine credit line directly from your mobile phone. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.